Morning everyone, this is DailyChilli. I just came back from this exhibition from the Japanese graphic designer called Masayoshi Nakaho. He's famous because he's been the art director for Shiseido. It's a cosmetic brand in Japan. I was very impressed by some of the artwork, especially the latest one. He seems that he's still very artistic regardless of his age, and he has some detailed art that it seems that it was done with this Illustrator or this kind of vectorial software. So yeah, I highly recommend Mother and Other from my Masayoshi Nakaho. And today's password for my daily post is Nakaho. Okay, see you guys. Bye.